Hello guys, welcome back to SubbuSoftTech. In this video, we will discuss about some short story on manifest file guys. Okay, so why we have to create a manifest file means suppose if you see I have a one Java application with main method guys. I want to execute this main method class means yes from the command prompt we can execute guys. But I want to execute from the main method. I want to execute this class from the jar file means I want to convert this application into the executable jar file means definitely in order to create a executable jar file manifest file is important guys. So that's why first we need to discuss about some story on manifest file. Yes, what is the name is for manifest file means manifest .mf. So manifest file is always saved with .mf only guys. So then only that is comes on the manifest file. Yes, so if you want to develop executable jar file guys, so to develop executable jar file, so you must configure. So definitely if you want to execute this application means main method is required or not. Yes, this main method class we have to configure in the main manifest file guys. Within the manifest file, so this manifest file must contain main class name. Then only the jar file is comes under the executable jar file and it can start executing your main method class. That's why we must configure main method class guys. So main method class name init jar. Okay, yes, init manifest file. So then only that jar file is comes on the executable jar file or not. Yes, so when it comes to this, so whenever we are creating a one jar file by using jar command, so it will create a meta inf folder guys. So that's why this file is we have to place within the meta inf folder. Okay, so this file should be available in meta inf folder. So which is automatically created by the JV. So automatically created whenever we are using jar command or not. Yes, this file should be available in meta inf folder. So which is automatically created when we use jar command. One of the jar command we are utilizing in order to create a jar file. At that time this meta inf folder automatically created. Within the meta inf folder only this manifest file is available guys. Okay, yes, so basically when it comes to this manifest file, so this file contains key value page case. Okay, so contains key value page properties. Key value properties is available. Okay, so using those properties only, so JVM this jar file can be able to understand and what are the properties that is available, what is the main class, all these things guys. Okay, so all these predefined names provided by the some microsystem is all names, predefined names, and so those are provided by some microsystem. Okay, yes, so when it comes to these names, so all names are, if the name has a respective value is available, so that value also we have to provide guys. Okay, so key must be predefined one and value must be that respective value we have to provide. Yes, both key and value both we have to provide and both we have to separate by using semicolon colon guys. Okay, yes, so that's what so names and its values so must be placed by developer in manifest dot mf file. Within the file we have to provide the all the key value to is or not. Yes, so every value is associated with that respective key only, guys. Okay, so when it comes to this man first file, if you want to configure, so to configure the main method class, I have a main method class. This main method class I want to configure in the main first file means what is the key that we have to replace means, so main, so after that, so hyphen, so after that class, this is the key we have to use. So key, so we have to use to configure our main method class. So as of now, what is our main method? So main method class is test or not. That's why what is the value we have to place with, what is the property we have to place. So we within the class main first file means yes in class colon, after that test is my class or not. Yes, test, this is the property we have to place within the man first file case. So then only that file is comes under the man first file, and using that man first file we can make this jar file as a executable jar file or not. Yes, now let's save this. Suppose I am saving this file as man first file dot mf. So this is nothing but a man first file or not. Yes, so here, so what is the property here? So main class. So what is our main class? Test. So this is the property we have to place within the man first file. So this is how we need to create a one man first file in your computer in order to make your jar files as a executable jar file case. Yes, in the next video we will discuss about how to create executable jar file for your proper application.